Hello friends, hope you are doing really well. I have created this video not for any specific training. Instead of that, I want to give the overview of my channel, whatever I have created. So my channel is Haradhan Automation Library, right? Why I give the channel name as Automation Library? Because whenever you go in the library, you will find different varieties of book. Similarly, if you go to my channels, you can find all different automation testing related, videos. Okay. So myself Haradhan, working for a major IT giant since last 13 years. I have created these channels to add several videos for Selenium WebDriver with Java and Python. Different testing framework, TestNG, Maven, Page Object Model, JUnit. Also, the continuous integration testing using Jenkins. Here, you also find some videos for Git, GitHub, Docker, Tomcat. And obviously, for each and every topic, I will try to include several interview related questions and answer so that after going through all the video, you can obviously, in case you do not have any knowledge, you can gain the knowledge in the automation testing, different continuous integration tool, different framework, different programming language. And after that, if you are adequate enough, you have good exposure on this area, then obviously you can go through the relevant training, question and answer videos where you can gain the experience how the interview questions will be there for the specific topics. And if you go through the same, I am pretty much sure that you can gain your knowledge as well as you can clear the interview whenever you are facing for other organization. So apart from that, I will also try to include some videos for agile methodology, different testing methodologies, Rally, Jira, Azure, as well as the insurance basic. So request everyone to see all my uploaded videos, subscribe my channel, and in case you are enjoying the videos, do not forget to like and share my videos. And one more request to everyone that in case you are going through the video, so do not forget to provide your valuable input, comment or suggestion so that based on the suggestion I can take it forward in case some areas of the improvement is still there, and based on your suggestion I will try to work on that. So if you go to the YouTube channels, YouTube link, then if you either press here Haradhan Pal or Haradhan Automation Library, you can get my channel's name, right? Here you need to subscribe it, and whenever subscribing it, do not forget to press the bell icon, and so that you will get notification as and when I will upload any new videos. So immediately you can refer to that video to learn the new things. So you need, if you go to my channels. So as of now, I have started creating videos only for Selenium and Java, and also I have started uploading videos for Selenium interview questions and Java interview questions. Once the Selenium is Java is completed, then I will go to the framework where I will create videos for different framework along with TestNG, Page Object Models, Maven, JUnit. After this over, then I will go for Selenium with Python. After that, I will create several videos for BDD and Cucumber as well. So if you go to my channel playlist, so as of now I already posted 96 video, right? So if you subscribe my channels, and after if you go to the playlist, you can see there are four playlists created as of now. So one is Selenium WebDriver tutorials with Java step by step, Java tutorials, interview question and answer for Selenium WebDrivers, and automation framework like TestNG, POA, Maven, and also the Java interview questions, right? So I am creating the videos in such a fashion that in case a tester does not have any knowledge on the automation tool or maybe the programming language, still he can, if he follows my video sequentially and practice himself or herself, he or she can still learn automation testing along with the programming language and can be can gain good exposure on those area. Okay, so if you go through the Selenium tutorials, so you can see I have given the sequence wise, so you need to follow the sequence wise, right? First is suppose we have to have a session 1, run your script, right, using the Chrome browsers, then using the Firefox browser, right, then different web page operation, like that. So I am creating all the videos in such a fashion that you need to go through all the videos sequentially. Okay, similarly for Java also, I will try to cover all the Java related stuff from the basic to the advanced Java. So if you go through all my videos sequentially, you can definitely learn Java and can gain good exposure on Java areas also. Okay, so apart from my channels, if anyone want to have any specific training from me, so I am planning to start online training soon, batch wise. First batch will be Selenium with Java along with the different framework. Next batch will be Selenium with Python, then also BDD Cucumber, and also I will try to give some training on agiles or maybe the insurance related stuff. Okay, for the like insurance life cycle, billing policy, claim, and different stuff. And also if anyone wants to have one-to-one training, also you can contact me. So haradhan.pal@gmail.com is my email id. haradhan.pal@gmail.com is my Gmail id. You can contact through this Gmail id. So in case if you require any kind of specific training, so I will obviously help you for this specific training. And also in batch, if you want to get training on the batch also, so I am starting the batch soon. Okay, so obviously you can learn different automation testing tools along with the different languages, and you can obviously, right, gain good exposure on this area, so that it will be help for your career to move a lot. Okay, because nowadays if you working as a manual testers, so those then golden opportunity where manual tester also have the good exposure, so those day already gone. Now you have to, apart from your manual testing, functional testing, you also have to gain good exposure on different tools or product, as well as the agile different methodology, as well as the domain. Apart from that, you also have to learn the different automation testing tool along with different programming language. So that's all about my channel introduction and introduction to me. So hope you will be following my videos sequentially, and we will definitely help you to learn all these new terminologies. Thank you.